Hi, and Mama Giuliana. My tip today is how to make a very soft and tender meat. First of all, you need a bowl. You put 1 egg inside. Of course, depend the quantity of meat you have, because if you have a lot of meat, you need maybe 2 or 3 eggs. You beat the egg like this. You put some salt. Once you beat very well the eggs, you add the milk. You beat again a little bit, like this. You take the meat, the slice of meat, and one by one you put inside. Try to dip it very well. My advice is to keep this one you can prepare in the evening, and you leave all night in the refrigerator, and you will see they come very, very soft. Maybe you can cover or with a plate or with a piece of paper. Okay? So this is ready. You can use this one with white meat, which is pork, turkey or chicken. It's sliced, and then you can cook as you want, or you can fry, or you can put in the breadcrumb, meat cutlet with breadcrumb, and you will see the difference. They feel really very, very soft. So you cover, as I told you before, and then it's ready. You put in the refrigerator. I prepare this meat always for my family. Try also this tip and you will see the difference.